Welcome back to Swiss Jam. Today we make a one-day trip in the area of Interlaken. We go to Ballenberg.
Welcome back to our channel Swiss Jam. Yeah, and today is a weekend day and we go to Ballenberg for a chill.
This is the entry area for the museum. Also here you have the prices for an adult, 32.
This is the map where you can go in this Ballenberg, and here Eingangort, this is the area we go inside here, and this is the house that we can do activity together. We can see what they do. Some they produce the cheese, they produce a wood, and some they produce wine, or another. They also have activity for the children too. So let's check inside together.
In this area, they show how to make this line. Everything is very old. With many different houses and handworks of Switzerland. Now we will go to see how they make the cheese.
Yeah, I'm excited to see
How they make the cheese, right?
Yeah, normally in Thailand we don't produce the cheese by ourselves. We import from another country. I will see how does this look like.
And in Switzerland they still produce the cheese in the same way. Of course the big factory and the big companies, they make a modern style, but this is the...
This is in another style. Yeah, one province of Switzerland.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, ich finde es nachher spannend. Ich habe Leute, die können sagen, er ist würzig.
Ja, was?
Ja. Also dort merke ich, wie die Geschmäcker von den Leuten verschieden sind.
Je nachdem auf die Zunge, oder?
Ja.
Ich habe das Gefühl, im Nachhinein kommt ein bisschen mehr.
Ja, weil ich da hinten
All these ways are part of this museum. So during the night, people can't walk here. The opening time is from 10 morning until 5 evening.
Das ist same.
Same.
This house, the red house, is the house of restaurant. People take a break at here, have lunch at here.
Eat something, right?
Yeah, eat something, or maybe toilet also have at here too.
Yeah. We sit in the restaurant or eat something, lunch. They have a good cart here with many different menus. Swiss menus, Swiss dishes. You can also have a salad, you can have a soup, drink something. And also the restaurant, this looks like a restaurant. Merci.
when you come here at night, you will scared or not?
I think so. I mean, look at this.
Right.
Yeah,
Maybe all of them will move a little bit.
possible. This wheel turns on the stand inside. So with the water makes the wheel turn around. This is the mechanic, you see from outside the wheel, they turn these big wheels. So go up and check. Beautiful old house.
Yeah, now we wait for the bus. The bus will come around 2 minutes. We will go back home now. I hope you will enjoy with us inside this museum. I like it too. Today is beautiful day inside. I never see before. Everything they do this by themselves and they don't use the machine. And this is amazing for me.
Also for me, we see something new. And it was a beautiful day, a sunny day with my family together. So have a beautiful evening and see you next time.
Yeah.